Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts. Have you ever met someone who seemed perfect at first? He started off so intentional. Sweet messages, thoughtful gestures, even a Valentine's gift. But then, the texts slowed, the effort faded, and suddenly you were walking on eggshells around someone you barely knew. That initial excitement turns into anxiety, hope battles confusion, and suddenly you're questioning everything. How do you let go when the start felt so promising? Hay mga langga, may tinamaan ba sa introduction? Ganun talaga eh. Damay-damay na to. So, ito na nga. February last month, dapat nun ko to i-release. But, I need to see things for myself. O, diba? First-hand experiences na yung ibang sinishare ko dito. Kaya na lang bahala kung alin dyan yung sa tingin nyo is personal. So, ito na nga ang kwento. Ito na nga. Si ate girl met someone who seemed different. From the first 2 weeks of courtship, he was intentional. May pa good morning, may princess pa nga. May pa-send pa ng videos as updates. Simple things lang naman, but to ate girl, they meant a lot. It's not even love bombing, it's just he was consistent. He was intentional. 2 weeks in, he was planning visits kasi this guy, he's out of the country. Then, come Valentine's Day, there was a Valentine's gift na he ordered pa from a local store to make sure na ate girl feels taken care of. Kahit nanliligaw pa lang siya. And ate girl thought to herself, maybe this is what genuine effort feels like. But then, days after Valentine's Day, the replies became slower. The plans turned into let's see. The conversations felt shorter and forced. And one night, ate girl started wondering, busy lang ba talaga ang kuya mo or nawawala na yung effort? Since ate girl matured over the years, hindi siya nag-beg ng attention. Instead, she chose to communicate her expectations and gave space for honesty. Ayaw na kasing magsayang ng oras at effort ng ate girl. Then, she watched and observed. If the suitor steps up, then great. But if the suitor is evasive, it just clarifies his fading interest. Then, the rest is history. And now, ito yung episode natin. You see, mga langga, while we understand that people are busy with their lives, syempre may trabaho, may mga hobbies, pinagkakaabalahan, etc. Someone who's truly intentional does not just show effort in the beginning. Hindi lang sa simula magaling. They show up again and again and again. Hindi natin kailangan ng paru-paro sa tiyan or OA na excitement. We need consistency. And syempre, clarity. Alam mo yun, Diyos ko, nananahimik ka lang sa sarili mong mundo. Masaya ka on your own. Pero, niligawan ka. Tapos, biglang, ikaw pa nag-overthink due to his fading momentum. Ako, ganito lang iniisip ko in situations like these. If a friend of mine came to me for advice due to this very same situation, ano bang sasabihin ni Sawelay? Ang sasabihin ko, you deserve better. You deserve effort that lasts longer than the first month. Yun ang magiging advice ko sa kahit sinong kaibigan ko. Anyan din ang advice ko sa mga nakikinig dito ngayon with the same situation. Kahit gaano ka pa kabait or ka empathetic, ika nga, you don't become the exception to the standard you'd set for the people you love. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you ever find yourself in that situation, don't blame yourself. Walang mali sa reaksyon mo. It's just, sometimes, people simply show their true capacity over time. What you can do is be honest. Gaya nung ginagawa ni ate girl. She communicated and she observed. Paulit-ulit man ito nating naririnig sa karamihang tao, it is true that people make time for what and who's important to them. Hindi naman need ng grand gestures eh. Especially if you're also the type who's drawn to slow burn kind of connection. At the end of the day, the person who genuinely likes you would not make you feel like you have to beg for the same energy they once gave freely. They won't just start strong. They'll stay steady. They will stay steady, tuloy-tuluyan. And sana, layuan tayo ng mga tao na hindi kayang panindigan kung ano ang sinimula nila. Padayon, mga langga. Ayan, salamat sa pagkikinig sa episode na to. Follow me on Instagram at Sawelay Thoughts and leave your comments there or sa Q&A portion ng episode na to. You may also follow this podcast to stay updated sa mga latest episodes. Ito po muli ang babaeng mandaldal na walang makausap, daldal again next time, dito sa Sawelay Thoughts.